What's going on, guys?
What's going on, guys?
What's going on, YouTube?
Nissan Fest, let's go. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today is a very good day. It is Friday, April 12th right now. We are heading down to Nissan Fest. The 240 is driving, so we are cruising with Damien, Steven, Tony, Chris, and Cohen. So we're gonna show off the cars a little bit, obviously. We got my 240, looks like absolute junk. Hi, Brittany.
Hi.
Hi. This is Damien's 240, it's a KAT, super grandpa-like. I'm just kidding, this thing is absolutely nuts. Runs 23 pounds of boost, doesn't have a horsepower number. Then you get the bag blower. It's not aired out right now. I'll show you guys what it looks like aired out after, but it looks really, really good. This is drive height, so you can imagine what aired out looks like. Then we have a R34. And then we have Chris Fong's super stealthy Vert 240 coupe. SR as well. And we got Cohen's. This is actually Damien's old ER34 Skyline with an RB25, right? Yeah. This thing is dope. It's been around for a while now. And then of course Harinder's here as well in the bag Jetta, and his fitment is even worse now in the best way possible because he's running bigger tires. What?
Should we give an example?
Yeah, show him what you have to do to get on lip. Okay, so airs down, and squishes the tire, and then he moves a little bit, and wait for it. There goes one side, and
Doing it?
no, it's not all the way down. There you go. Yeah, you're good. So that is how he has to air down now because his fenders get caught on his tires. So yeah, we got Brett, Jasmine, Rory, Harinder, obviously. So it's Friday right now. Nissan Fest isn't until tomorrow, but we have a long drive. It's like 3 hours away from where we all live. So we're driving down, staying in an Airbnb tonight, and then we will be going to Nissan Fest in the morning. So we'll see you there. So this is Steven's car airing out.
I'm gonna go back first.
Oh, okay. Woo!
You think your drive was long?
Oh my god. So yeah, when I said Steven's car wasn't aired out, you can tell why I made sure you knew that. So this is good. Your car is so beautiful. It's so good.
Okay. Okay, this is Travis.
Are you filming?
Yeah, we made a quick little snip for your video.
Sure you're recording?
Yeah, the little red thing's on.
Oh yeah, you know how.
Okay, so we're just in the Airbnb right now. Brittany's fucking lounging.
Non-alcoholic beers.
Non-alcoholic. Okay, thanks so much for the little clip of our vlog. We'll see you guys on the real video.
Alright guys, so we made it to the Airbnb after like 3 hours of driving. The 240 was running decently good. Damien fixed the tune up a little bit while we were at the gas station, and it is popping a lot on diesel, so it's fun. Yeah, I think we're just chilling here for the night. I don't know. Maybe we'll go meet up with some other...
We might Uber everywhere.
Yeah, we're gonna Uber everywhere. Yo, copyright.
Uber everywhere.
I can't even say it. It's copyright. So we're here with Harinder, Rory, Brittany, Jasmine. As per usual, I'm drinking a tasty Monster. This is not anything alcoholic. It's a Monster, I promise. So yeah, we're just gonna chill here. If anything funny happens, I'll probably record it here. If not, then we will see you at the roll-in. I'm gonna meet up with Steven in the Laurel and Damien and all them. So yeah, I'm gonna go meet up with them. I have to be up at like 7 a.m. something like that. So yeah, if nothing funny happens, then we'll see you in the morning.
They're gonna be hiding.
Hi, Chuck Taylor. Whoa. Hi. Good morning. Good old RB25 belt squeal. You know what doesn't have that? My SR. Oh! Alright, this is the last time Steven's car will ever be in a video. Okay, so we are back with the Skyline, Damien's car, the 4-door Skyline, Chris's car, and this is Janet. This is our friend Devin's car, and then my car, and then Steven's car, and then random house cars. So yeah, we are just getting ready to head out and go for rolling. Alright you guys, so we are at Nissan Fest now. Unfortunately, it is absolutely pouring rain. I'm waiting to get a umbrella from Target from Harinder and them because we had to come super early for rolling in. So they're gonna go get umbrellas, and then I will walk around with the camera. I just really don't want to get the camera soaked, and then you won't be able to see anything anyways. So I think I might have a nap because the show doesn't start for another hour. So good night. What? What's going on YouTube? Okay, so we're at Nissan Fest. It's finally stopped raining. So now I can actually show you guys cars and show you our lineup and everything. We got Steven's Laurel. Obviously, I showed you this already, but it's really, really nice, obviously. But I just have to keep showing it. And it'll probably be the thumbnail too. And then we have Cohen's car. And yeah, Damien's KAT, my car. Had to do some self-promotion, obviously. Instagram, follow me. You obviously already follow this if you're watching this. Oh yeah. Have to make sure they know that it's a fully built SR.
Artwork by Brittany. Yep.
It's gross, man.
So nice.
I'm just worried about the water on the compressors.
Yeah, fair enough. So this is Steven's bag setup for his Laurel, obviously, as you can tell. Super, super nice. Ooh. Going with that good angle. Woo. Super, super nice. Super, super nice. Glad because it's not a GTR, so they didn't ruin a GTR. You can tell the color shift on it. It's so cool.
On video.
Ooh. Holy oh my god, you can see it so clear on video too. There's so much oil. What if he broke his pan coming in?
That thing is so low.
Holy. So we think this Miata is very broken. I think he might have broken his pan, honestly. Not the R32! What is that? Is that a rear mount rad?
That's his rad.
Is it connected?
Yeah, that's on the front that usually goes right behind the engine.
That's his overflow. Over there.
What?
Yo, this is so cool.
Look at his exhaust. How is this okay down here?
Because it's America. We get VIs, they just do this. This is so cool.
Wow.
Then you get the big old bro dozer. Not even that big, but oh, you know, dude, I think we're in America.
Oh my god.
I think we're in America. Nice R32 Skyline. Is that a Nismo tote?
Dude, yo, check this out. For your cleaning supplies?
Wait, did you just buy this? Or
No, this is Raf's. I'm about to buy one though. This is so sick.
Where'd he get it from?
I don't know, he orders them from somewhere. He's got suppliers.
That is so cool. It's JDM, bro. This is another local BC S14, real kooky, I believe. And this thing is so cool. I'm sorry, it's probably a little windy. Old Datsun 610 wagon. Very, very nice. There's a lot of really nice cars here. Just gonna kind of walk around, show you guys all of them. Anastasia. So this is also a local BC car. This is Christian. His car is literally the cleanest 240 in the world. So nice. So nice.
Dude, I just sold like 20 of these things.
Are you cleaning right now?
Yes. I get 5% cut.
Yes, sir.
Open a boot.
Oh, Shiraz showed me this the other night. It is so cool.
You think you're a big guy or something coming first?
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's impressive, man. Christian's car is literally an inspiration for mine. I wish mine was this clean. So super nice cars. This is a Nissan Sagia on RT4. It looks like one because it's got the front clip of a GTR. Super nice. This is what the stock front end looks like. Again, still really nice, but super nice. Same steering wheel as me, pretty much. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my god. Are you David Dobrik? Are you the guy? Are you the famous YouTuber, the car guy? The one with the fully built SR20? Oh my god.
I don't know how. Oh, it's a BC car, that's why. Oh, is this Spectrum? Alright you guys, so we are back home now. 240 made it safe and sound. So I'm gonna end the video here. Really good day. Might have been raining most of the time. Hopefully I got enough footage. Yeah, all in all, really good day. 240 held up amazing. I'm very excited for a real tune and finishing breaking. Anyways, that is it for me. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.